Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is time to do another weekly winter preview fix. And I gotta be honest with you, I'm legitimately concerned about opening this box. I have been chomping at the bit to get my dirty little mitts on these pieces. If you're new to my channel, I'm a senior stylist for Stitch Fix. I've been doing a weekly winter preview during the month of November. During the month of October, we did a weekly fall inspired fix. And again, like this time around, I definitely was looking for just some fun, tonal colors that are appropriate for, I was gonna say spring, for fall and winter. Like I don't even know what's happening right now. My little mind is just bouncing in my head because I'm so excited to tear into this. So blah, blah, blah. Let's just get right down to business. And she's tiny this week compared to what we've been getting lately. Like, look how small, look how small this little box is. Do you remember the past 2 weeks? They were double bundles. So the box was literally like bigger than my head. And as usual, I forgot my scissors. So hold on 1 second. One of these days, I will actually be prepared. Down below, I have a discount code you can use to get 25 bucks off your first fix. The company will also give me $25. And if you're already a member of Stitch Fix, go out in search of your own referral code. Everybody that gets a Stitch Fix has one. They make it very easy to find in your profile, online, on the app. And here she is. Oh my goodness. I am all about the reds and the purples lately. Where is that purple? Where is she? She's hiding in there. There is a pop of purple, a top that I about died when I saw it in our inventory, like literally drooling over myself. And of course, as always, thank you so much to everybody in our warehouse who does such a gorgeous job of packaging these up for us. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, there's the purple. They do such a nice job of putting these together. Oh, before I go tearing into this, I wanted to ask you guys for some feedback on thumbnails. So normally I do a thumbnail that looks like this, and I've always just kind of defaulted to that because I feel like it's an unboxing. You want to like tease people with a little sneak peek without giving too much away. But then with my other haul videos, like with a traditional retailer, I've been doing more of like 4 or 5 outfits, just showing immediately what I'm gonna be showing in the actual video. So will you guys let me know, like, which thumbnail do you tend to like better for unboxings or fashion inspired vids? I'm totally curious to get your feedback on that. Okay, first things first, that dash of purple we saw when I was holding up the bundle. Oh my Lord, I saw this guy pop into our inventory and I about died. I have no idea like when my obsession with purple started. I never even liked purple until like 2 months ago. Now I'm all about it. I saw this top pop up and I thought this is stunning. I love the crochet detailing. It makes like a pretty V design right on the neck. And then the shoulders are sheer. They have like this sheer paneling, but then it's almost like a ribbon sheer. Like you can really see just a really nice, thoughtful detail put into this top. The sleeves themselves almost feel velvety. Like I've never felt or seen a top like this before. And of course then the cuffs are, they have like a nice little cuff there, and then the sleeve does blouse a little bit. Another fun detail that I fell in love with is the button back. Like just super sweet top. I adore this. Okay, this next piece, I have some advice for you guys. So I've noticed sometimes people will leave comments saying that they're frustrated that what they request from Stitch Fix is never in their fix. And I totally get it. I get frustrated too, and I'm a senior stylist who styles my own fixes. And many times, I'm styling other people, obviously, and I'm seeing these things pop up in their fix. And then when I go to fix or style my own fixes, those pieces are like nowhere to be found. So I had a conversation with my lead about this problem, and she said, next time it comes to style your fix, in your note, be very specific about what you want. I had wanted to try some pieces from the Katie Sturino collection. Katie is a fashion blogger and she collaborated with us to develop this exclusive fashion line. And again, I'm seeing like these pieces pop up for other people. They're never coming up for my own fixes. Totally frustrated. Have this conversation with my lead and I took her advice. So when I went to style this fix, I wrote in my note, Katie Sturino collection. And I'm telling you, when I styled myself, Katie Sturino pieces were available for me to grab. So my advice to you is, again, to be very specific about what it is that you want in a fix. Let's say you saw, like on our Instagram feed, this amazing jacket from the North Face. Write in your note, North Face jacket. You know, if it's a pair of like dark high-rise skinny jeans that you want, right? Dark high-rise skinny jeans, because clearly the AI in the system is scrolling through what we're writing and then surfacing those items whenever the inventory is available for us to grab. This is one of the pieces from Katie Sturino's collection that surfaced after I took my lead's advice. It's a gorgeous, classic red midi-length dress. I'm so excited to try this sucker on. It does have the faux wrap bodice and it is hooked, so that obviously adds a little extra security there. The waistline is belted and it's got an A-line accordion pleat skirt. Now, it also feels like a really nice chiffon-y type material. And then even the cuffs, like it's just got this beautiful double button on the cuff. And then it does have a zipper in the back that runs, let's see, yeah, it goes all the way down to the waist. Oh my gosh, this next one. Okay, I think I'm getting to the point where I probably need like a 12-step program to detox from my obsession of jumpsuits. That last one that I unboxed in last week's fix, that gorgeous green one, I adored it. The problem was you have to wear a strapless bra with that sucker. I, for the life of me, can never find a strapless bra that actually stays up. I'm telling you, within 5 minutes, it's like I'm wearing a belt. So if any of you guys have recommendations for an amazing strapless bra that actually stays put, please let me know below. Anyway, I was so bummed that I couldn't keep that jumpsuit and I was just kind of scrolling around our inventory and then this little number popped up and I literally like shouted out loud. I was so excited. It's got a white top and then a classic black bottom. How gorgeous is that? Just like super timeless, elegant. I will wear the heck out of this thing if it fits properly. The top is like, I know that the light is being blown out, but it's like an ivory color. So very chic, and then it does have a zipper in the back that goes to the waist. And like I said, just straight back or straight black pants. It does have somewhat of a cap sleeve, which I think tends to be flattering. And yeah, I don't think it, oh, it does have pockets. It also has pockets. Oh my gosh, I'm literally falling in love right now. I'm so excited. The fabrication feels really substantial, like a nice heavy weight, especially for this time of the year. And it is a wider, let me see if I can show you. It is a wider leg. So all in all, just like super, super cute, cute jumpsuit. Oh, and this next one, this was the Katie Sturino piece that I was stalking like a mad woman when it came to styling you guys. I saw this sweater, about died. Because I have like all my staple sweaters totally taken care of, and now I'm like, I just want fun sweaters to add to my collection. I saw this one, holy smokes. How fun is that red, white, pink combination? Are you kidding me? With like a light rinse jean, delicious. It also has a balloon sleeve, which I'm totally drawn to, and a nice cuff at the wrist. It just is super soft. It's got a nice kind of higher crew / mawkish neck, which I adore. And I actually sized down to an extra small because I knew this was gonna run big. And even the extra small, I mean, this, this sucker's running big. So it's got that big slouchy thing going on, perfect for a French tuck. Now the one thing I'm a little concerned about is the stitching is open it's more of like an open stitch. And if you're like me and you live in a cold climate, you know you're gonna get that updraft. This is not gonna do any favors whatsoever in the freezing weather, but we're gonna try it on anyway, just because I love the color combination. Oh Lord, and then this last one, so boring. It's a pair of jeans. Listen, I had, as I've said before, a man down situation. So one of my pairs of jeans bit the dust. I'm down to 3, and when I was styling my fix, I just felt myself like starting to panic, like I'm losing all my jeans, I'm not gonna have any jeans. So I grabbed a pair of jeans. In hindsight, I shouldn't have, but in any event, here they are. It's just a really, really beautiful dark rinse. It's also from Sam Edelman, and I've not yet tried this brand of jeans. So super excited to try this brand. This is the high-rise stiletto skinny crop, and the rinse is gorgeous. Like, look how saturated that is. And again, it has some slight whiskering on the upper thigh area, but nothing major. Just like a nice clean rinse all the way down to the leg. It is a scissor hem. I, for the life of me, cannot find just a clean hem jean anymore. This is definitely the rage. But they feel like nice in terms of stretchiness and structure. So I'm very excited to try them on. Okay, we are totally switching gears in terms of location. I normally film between 11 and 2, like that is my perfect window to get good lighting coming into my actual window. And it is now 3:30. Apologies if there's like strange lighting scenarios going on. That's what we're dealing with today. Okay, so first up is that purple blouse from Daniel Rain. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this sucker. It is so beautifully made. Like the detailing alone is a total showstopper, but then like the feel of the fabric, it is gorgeous. I'm going to get so much use out of this top, and it just looks and feels expensive. Like it is that good quality. So talking about the red Katie Sturino dress, the style and the fit of this is like classic me. I adore this type of silhouette. I think it's just totally timeless. Love the red color. Did not like the tie waist, and that's just me because I can never get those suckers to stay in place. So they're always like shifting and falling, and then it looks sloppy to me. Just at the end of the day, I didn't feel like I wanted to invest that much money in a dress like this, so I decided to pass. Okay, so next, oh my gosh, that jumpsuit. I wanted to die because the minute I zipped that sucker up, it was like, oh, hello, little tight in the crotch area. That's why I was like keeping my hands in my pockets because I was gonna have a situation if I didn't do that. So bummed out that it was running small. That was a size 4. Normally I'm fine with it, but I absolutely needed a 6 because it was so tight in the crotch. It was like, oh my Lord. Otherwise, I loved it. Like I loved the look of it. I think it is so sleek looking, and the material too was like nice and heavy. It was a good weight. So it just was a beautiful piece, super timeless, so elegant. I would have worn the hell out of that sucker if only I didn't have a situation going on. Oh my gosh, so the Katie Sturino sweater, and it is super soft. It definitely is oversized. Like it felt good, it felt fun. I liked it. I just know that open stitch, I mean, I could like feel the draft coming in, and I have the heat set to like 72 degrees in this house. And so ultimately I just decided, I know if I get this, I'm gonna make excuses as to why I can't wear it because I'm gonna be cold. And then this is gonna sound so stupid, but again, this is how picky I am about clothing. I think if that stitch would have been tighter, like a smooth stitch like this, I totally would have pulled the trigger on it. But just because it had that open stitch, I knew it wasn't gonna keep me super warm, and it just looked like it didn't look as expensive, I guess for lack of a better word, as I would have wanted it to. And then lastly, those jeans, I'm telling you, Sam Edelman makes a damn good piece of denim. Oh my gosh, these jeans fit like a dream. The fabrication was absolute perfection. It was structured, but it had just enough stretch to feel comfortable without being like, I'm wearing clown pants. The issue for me, honestly, was just the rinse was too dark. And I do this all the time. In theory, I love a dark rinse jean, but the reality is I always just gravitate towards a medium rinse or a lighter rinse. All right, guys, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for putting up with like the madness of the crazy lighting situation today. I ended up just keeping that purple blouse, and I've already scheduled my next fix. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.